Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log into your Bendigo Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search Bendigo Bank Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to www.bendigobank.com.au. It will then take you to the official website of Bendigo Bank. There, click to login on the top right corner. Then you will be redirected to a login page. Once the page has been loaded up, enter your access ID, then click to next. Then enter your password, then you should be able to access your Bendigo Bank account. To make login easier, click to remember my access ID, but I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer. If you have forgot your access ID, you can click to what's my access ID. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.